Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to file your taxes for free with IRS Free File. Alright, let's begin. The 2025 tax filing season is now officially open. If you're looking to get your taxes done early and with ease, consider using NIR's program that enables millions of Americans to file their federal tax returns for free in just a few steps. Free File is a partnership between the IRS and 8 of the country's biggest online tax prep companies. If your adjusted gross income was $84,000 or less in 2024, you're eligible to use Free File to process and submit a simple return for free. Some participating companies will even process your state return. Now let's understand what is Free File. IRS Free File is a public-private partnership between the IRS and the Free File Alliance, a group of commercial tax preparation and filing software companies who provide their online tax prep and filing federal returns electronically at no cost to taxpayers. Now, let's check who qualifies for the IRS Free File. Not every American will be eligible to use IRS Free File for the 2025 tax season. Tax preparation providers that participate in the program establish their own eligibility criteria. Individuals with NAGI of $84,000 or less are eligible to use Free File. Those with NAGI over $84,000 are not eligible to prepare or e-file federal taxes via Free File, but can still use the Free File fillable forms for federal taxes. Just be aware that these forms do not include step-by-step assistance. This option is recommended for people familiar with IRS form instructions. The system is designed to handle relatively simple tax returns. Those with complicated tax returns may not qualify for offers provided by the trusted partners. Now let's learn how to use the Free File program. You can access Free File on a phone, computer, or tablet and complete the following steps. First, head to the IRS Free File website. Then click the Use Free Guided Tax Preparation button. After that, hit Find Your Trusted Partner tool to find an offer for the right product for you, or alternatively, you can use the Browse All Trusted Partners tool to review each offer from each partner. Then select one of the 8 partners which we saw above. Lastly, follow the links to the provider's website to begin your tax return. Note that you can only use Free File to file your current year tax return. You cannot process a prior year return using Free File. So that's basically how you can file your taxes for free with IRS Free File. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.